Hello students, welcome to our final week in the class. This week we will be covering career planning and long-term growth. Remember that this is a short week that starts today on Friday and ends on Monday at the end of the day by midnight. The course ends on Monday and all work is due at that time. So I just want to go through with you what we will be covering for our final week in the course. Please remember to keep an open communication with me. If you are having any difficulties meeting deadlines or trouble with any of your assignments, I highly encourage you to please reach out to me. I'm here to help. So please make sure that you work through your lecture, interactive lecture 8 on career planning and long-term growth, the RISE 360 presentation as soon as possible, and then you can download and save your lecture document. For your week 7.5 discussion, please get in there as soon as possible and post your initial discussion post of about 150 words. And make sure that you're responding to these prompts. And in discussion this week, we will be talking about negotiating job offers. And you're going to reflect on a time when you prepared for or considered a negotiation, whether it's for a job, an internship, or even a personal situation. You're going to discuss what strategies helped you feel more confident and explain how understanding total compensation benefits can help you influence the way you approach a future job offer. And that will be covered in the lecture so that you have more background on that. Now, for this last discussion, similar to our first week's discussion, you are only required to do an initial post. You do not have to go back in on 3 other days and sign in and reply to 3 classmates. It's just the initial post, and any post is graded as 100 this week. But please feel free, if you do want to say goodbye to your other classmates in the course, you absolutely may do so. And the only other thing that you will be doing this week, since you have already uploaded your final portfolio projects in week 7, we were just going to be doing a final portfolio project reflection. And you will find that reflection, the directions, in that course assessments folder. And I'll show you where that was once again. And that is at the bottom of your homepage in the course assessments tab, and in the portfolio project directions and rubrics. And that's it for this week. So if you've got any questions, once again, please feel free to reach out to me, and I look forward to talking to you over in discussion. Take care.